Hello everybody and welcome to a new episode of Idiots in Cars. For this episode we're taking a trip over to the US of A, and as we all know there's plenty of idiots over there. For this first clip we want to focus on the black crossover on the left hand side. He misses the left hand lane ending sign and gets squeezed by the semi truck.
I'm good.
He's actually very lucky because he came about a foot away from being squished. So I don't know if the Mustang is in the wrong here for overtaking on double yellows. In England it is illegal, but regardless, the guy blocking is just making the whole situation so much more dangerous for everybody. So sticking with the blocking theme, the white car up ahead is clearly not very happy. He's just going absolutely crazy. I think this guy going past giving the finger is great. Then he goes for the kill, but thankfully fails. Everybody's okay and we move on. So sticking with bikers, the story for this one is they're in some kind of road rage situation. The guy and his girlfriend are in the car and she doesn't want him to keep carrying it on, so like any sane person she pulls the handbrake and it obviously doesn't go very well, but I'm sure that's his ex-missus now anyway. And the bikers pull over to help, so I think we've all done this. We've all wanted a little race. Obviously we always pick a road that's not wide enough for our two cars, because why would you? And yep, obviously doesn't end very well. The neighbours here run over. The emergency services turn up, the driver gets carted away, and we get to hear from the locals, of course.
I thought it was amazing that anybody came out of there alive.
Me too, mate, me too. Okay, so anybody that's ever played Grand Theft Auto can relate to this one. Driving along, you see a trailer, and the first thought that runs through your brain is to ramp. So this guy goes for it, and it goes exactly as you'd expect. But at least it made a cool video. Imagine a drunk driver, probably coming home from the pub, decides that he just, wants to crash. Fuck it, I'm just gonna go. But at least they won't be able to find him. He's not making any noise. Sticking with the CCTV, all looks pretty normal until you got some serious air there too. His car just completely folded. I hope he's okay, of course, but if he does post about this, you know for a fact that guys are going to be asking about parting out that exhaust. And the neighbour drives past and he's late for work, so he just fucks off anyway. We're going to watch a drunk driver. I'm going to let the guys commentate this one, but it's pretty insane.
And they can't drive. They're drunk. There's something. They're getting off the exit right now, and they cannot stay in the middle lane. They've been from side to side.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
And they just went through. They just went through a stop sign. They are pulling over right now.
She's hitting the sign. She's hitting the sign. She missed the sign.
They don't have much faith in her.
Oh my god, dude, I've never been this nervous for somebody in my whole life.
Dude, this is nuts.
Oh my god, Pat, she's dead. I can't watch this.
Somebody else. She's off the road, dude. It's done. Holy shit! How do you recover from that?
She probably stole this from a dealer. This might be a kid for all we know.
It's not a kid. It's an old lady.
Oh my god, dude, this is crazy. Pull over.
No, just stay back.
Wow.
I don't know what to do.
I think we're doing the right thing.
She's done. Stop the f***ing car.
Oh my god. Oh my god, dude.
Stop your car! Stop!
And they've had enough. Okay, now the guy in the white car is just like, fuck it, I'm just gonna turn. Good luck to everybody else. It's probably what he was thinking. They managed to take out an instant car too. So the story for this one is the guy's been driving for less than 1 month. He focuses on the black sedan just in front of him, but what he fails to notice, the traffic stopping. So instead of braking, he goes for the horn, and well, it's a lesson. I want you to focus on these two cars for a moment. Look how close they come to hitting each other. And then out of nowhere. Okay, so I guess this one's pretty impressive. Looks like his truck's fucked, but he just wants to get home for dinner.
How was he driving?
I have no idea.
You
Everything is.
have to be like on a constant turn
Yeah.
or something.
Doesn't make any sense.
This truck is.
Okay, let me ask you guys a question. What do we hate more than queue jumpers? Queue jumpers that litter is the answer, which is what we have here. The trucker behind him gets out. The driver leaves, like the tool that he is, but I have to give credit to this trucker for picking up this guy's mess. Though he's probably pretty furious. Okay, so this could be a wedding party. This isn't the first clip that I've seen where a group like this has stopped on a freeway. They cause a pileup. Everybody's so shocked by it. Like it's a good idea to stop in the entrance to a tunnel. His face too.
Now that's a lot of damage!
At least the guy over here is absolutely loving it. He's got his Instagram story sorted. Now I don't know about you guys, but I personally always keep a deck of Yu-Gi-Oh cards on me. You never know when someone's going to challenge you to a duel. Better to be prepared, I guess. And finally, the guy joins the freeway and thinks it's a good idea to get in front of the truck. He thinks it's an even better idea to slam on his brakes in front of another loaded truck. A lot of lessons being learnt in this episode, and with that I'm going to end it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.